Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am excited to show you just how simple it is to install and configure a template on UBOS platform. This template will allow you to seamlessly integrate your own knowledge base, enabling a responsive support bot on WhatsApp. So let's do it. To set up this account, you just need to have account on Pinecone, Open AI, Facebook developer and business account on UBOS. So let's try to do all these settings. Now we on our website, and all you need, just go to this part of our site, go to templates. There you can find a list of our templates and you can choose anyone. As for now, we need this one, custom GPT for your business. Let's open it. And now there on this page you can read some information about this template. You can see how it looks like and you can use this template. We need to press this button. Now we're redirected on our platform. You can register new account if you don't have yet, or you can just log in. I need just log in. And now I see that this my template, it's opened and I can just use this template. On this page, I also can read some description about this template. I can see which services I need to create on UBOS platform to use this template, and also how much I need to pay for months for these services. This is price. For the services, we need just one database, one UI service, and one Node-RED system as backend. And let's use this template. I want to install this template on some workspaces. You can choose which one you need. If you have several, I want to use this one workspace, and let's press this button to install all services. And now we see our services on process. We need to wait a few minutes for green light there, and after that we can set up it. As you see now, our Node-RED system ready to work, it's green light. Also our UI editor ready to work, it's also green light. And we see also status is there, just need to wait a few seconds for data source. And we can after that use this template. Also, to use this template, to use all services on our platform, you need to have positive balance. You can see your balance there. All our services have green light there and we can use it. We can close this and just copy link. To link for your UI editor, there's this link that you will use on the future to see your application. You just need to press this button, link to the service. You can find it on UI editor, it's open like this, and press there. And after that, we just need to paste this link. And now you see this page, welcome to your own app, and to make all settings that you need, you just need to press this button and wait just a few seconds. Let's do it. And congratulations, all settings is ready. You just need to save these credentials and that's all. With these credentials, your login and your password, with this credential you can log in on your application. Please save it on this step because after this you can do this one more time. You just need to save your credentials. To copy it, you can just click something like the login or password and you see this credential copied. And let's go to log in. And now you are logged on your private account on this application, and all as for now that you need to do, that's paste your credentials from Pinecone, Open AI and WhatsApp there and save this credential, and after that you can use your bot on WhatsApp. So let's start from Pinecone setting. We need to use Pinecone to save our information about our business, about our company or something another. All informations that you want your bot must know, you need to save on Pinecone. Because when we receive some question from user, we will find the answer on Pinecone database and return this answer to user, because that's why it's really important to set up Pinecone account. So let's go to website and let's log in. That's my email, and I just need to paste code there and press button. And there we need to create our index. That will be like store for all information on Pinecone. We need to just name this index and write some dimensions. It will be always this number, just 1536, not another one. Every time you need to write 1536. And just press button create index. And now we see that our index initialization, when we wait for all settings from Pinecone side, we can put information there. Let's copy our index name and paste there where is Pinecone index. We need URL, just copy there and paste URL there on Pinecone URL. Need our environment, paste it where we see env. And we need also API key, just need to go from indexes to API keys and copy. And that's all from Pinecone side. Just need to wait for initialization, and when we wait, we can go to Open AI and take our API key. Also just log in, select APIs, view key, and create one more. And just copy this key and paste it there. And one more field, we need to set up some prompt. Prompt is a role for your bot. There you need to write. Maybe you want comedian bot that joking all the time. Maybe you want serious support bot that will just answer for user question and, for example, always answer on user language. You need to write all the setting for your bot just there. For example, in my case, I want to have just support bot from our company, UBOS company, and I want to write some prompt that this bot is from UBOS company and just answer the question according to this info. And it's necessary to write according to this info because after this prompt will be info from Pinecone vector database about your company. I will show you how to make this. For example, this will be my prompt for users. That's intelligent support bot representing UBOS company. It's good practice to write company name also there, and just your task to provide response for user and using provided data set. And this data set bot will receive from our vector database. And let's save all these settings. It's successfully saved. Just check our Pinecone. Now we see green light there. It means that Pinecone also ready to work. Let's go to our WhatsApp settings. This page we also need all that we need to put from WhatsApp, this response URL and WhatsApp token. I will show you how to get this, but to get all this URL and token, you need to set up your business account of Meta. This I will show you, and we will leave links on description to this video. All information about business WhatsApp account you can find on this link. This link from Meta, you can read it, contact some support if you need, and just create this business account. When you have it, you can set up your own WhatsApp bot, and you need to go to this link, developers.facebook.com, and there you will find how to set up your own bot. You need to go to my apps, choose, for me it's this one, and after that, on left side on this menu, you will find WhatsApp, and just open it. On this page, I am now on API settings setup page. What you need to do, add your phone number. From this phone number, user will receive messages, and also user will write question to this phone number on WhatsApp, and this number will answer to user, but this will be bot creating. This will be our number, we'll write there, and you need just copy from this page this URL. This will be response URL, paste URL there, and add token from WhatsApp. Just go there and copy this one. I'm on developers Facebook, on WhatsApp, on API settings. Just need to set up these all steps to have this temporary access token. To have this link, you just need to add phone number, and that's all. Also register account on this platform. And let's save this. And last thing, on this platform, we need to go to configuration page also, and tell Meta where we wait for new messages. For this, we also on WhatsApp, on configuration, just press near webhooks, and there we need to paste our URL and verify token. Your URL will be open our platform one more time, copy link to this service, paste this link there, and write WhatsApp. And there you need to write your verified token. After you write token there, just press button verify and save. And model window closed. I successfully saved my token. And that's all that we need. Let's come back to our application there. Our next step is to put information about our company, our business to Pinecone. We need to choose this page base and create some knowledge object. For example, you have separate different businesses and you want to put on Pinecone some information about your company, some information about your another company. It's good practice to name knowledge base according to information that will be on this knowledge base. I just want to put information just about UBOS, name it like this, and open this knowledge base. And there I can download information about my company, information that will be saved on Pinecone as vectors, and this information will know my bot, and according to this information, my bot will answer to the users. I want to download, you can download links, files, file FAQ, these frequently asked questions, and PDF files. I want to download one file and file FAQ. I will show you how these files look like. The structure of file frequently asked questions. This is my question, and this is answer, one more question, and one more answers for these questions. You can find the most frequently asked questions from your user and save it like this, question answer, the symbol it's necessary, and just download this on your application. Let's do it. I just need to save this file. Go to files, download, and I need to download on TXT format. Press this button and it's ready. And also I have one more document that I want to save. They are just information about company separated by paragraphs. It's necessary to separate by paragraphs to have a good vectors. One paragraph will be one vector on our vector database. And I want to save this one. Also go to the file, download, choose that I need format txt, and that's all. Go back there and select my file. This FAQ file, I need this one, press button upload. And I see our source saved, my file, and I can divide this file. We can't put on Pinecone database all text from this file by one step. We need to separate this file, and I need separate it by question and answer. Press confirm. And we're waiting. Oh, it's divided already. It's really fast. Let's go to this page, and we see that our file was divided by question and answer that I show you on the file structure. And let's go back. Also, I can save all this information on Pinecone, and I want to do this. Just press this button, Pinecone in process. It's okay. We can refresh it. Pinecone still in process, and let's check our account. Now we have 4 vectors on Pinecone. Pinecone still in process. As I see, I have 3 pages there. That means that I must have there 6 vectors. And it will be finished when I have 6 vectors on Pinecone. Go to refresh. It's changed status. It's saved on Pinecone. If I have some changes on my company, and this vector is not relevant, I can change it. I can just press this button, write everything I need, all changes that I have in company, or just delete it if I don't need it anymore. Let's go back. And on Pinecone, now 5, but maybe we need to wait 1 more second. Let's go to our another file and download it. This one, just open and press upload. And now also our source saved, and we need to divide it. For example, you can choose how to divide this file. You can divide by point, and you can divide by paragraphs. By paragraphs, that will be this one separate vector and this separate vector. If by point, it will be separated by sentence. This one information vector, this second will be, and something like this all the time. It will be 2 short vectors for my company. Maybe you have a really big sentence, which will be okay for you. In my case, better by paragraph. And also I need to choose, I want to make enrichment or no. Enrichment will provide more information about the text that you have. It will be added some question to all your paragraphs that you have. Let's divide by paragraph just without enrichment and see our result. Let's open this file. You see it's what divided already, and I have information like this. That's just a paragraph from my text document. I don't like to leave information like this. Let's go back and divide with enrichment to see the difference. Let's open our file. Dividing still in process, it's not complete, and I see it's add all to all these paragraphs, it's add question. This format I need to use because user question will be like something like this, I think, according to this information, and dividing can be in process. As for now, we have everything ready to write some messages to our bot. Necessary step before using our bot, it's make settings on app setting page Add all credentials from Pinecone or OpenAI. Prompt, it's also necessary. We need to have this information. Need to have set up webhook on our developer's Facebook and have some information on Pinecone. Save, make the steps, go to base detail and download some files, edit and saved it on Pinecone. Now our bot will answer according to this information that we have on this file, from this file. And let's go to WhatsApp and test our bot. I just log in on web WhatsApp and I need to find phone number that have my bot on my contact list. I just need to go there. I've saved on my phone book this number as bot WhatsApp and I press there. It's already here. And let's try to ask something our bot, but before this, let's go also to users page. And then you will see how many users write to your bot and what bot answer to your user. We have WhatsApp there, and now it's empty. No, we didn't have any users that ask something for bot. When I write something, I must appear there. Let's ask, who are you? And we have response from bot. It's okay. It's sends that it's support bot from UBOS company. Let's ask about UBOS. And we have a correct answer. Let's ask something else. And we have instruction. As I see now, I need to provide more information to my bot. For example, it's right visit website, I need to add link and something else, and my bot will be better and better. The more information, correct information I give my bot on base page, the more correctly my bot will answer the need to provide more information. And let's reload this page and see what will happen. We must find my user there, and it's there, it's correct, and press view chat. This chat we need just because maybe we didn't have on our vector database answer for some questions from user, and we can analyze all this information, question from user, answer from bot, and we can improve our bot every time. New question from user, we didn't have information on Pinecone, we can download new file, save on Pinecone, and our bot will new answer this answer for this question for another user, and it's correct. Well, as for now, we have successfully set up our template. We provide information on Pinecone. Our bot know all this information, and we can say goodbye to the hassle of writing emails or taking phone calls. From now, the bot has got covered, promptly answering all those questions. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and remember, automation is the key to the more streamlined and efficient future. Feel free to leave any questions or contact us and we will help you. See you!